Welcome to Chart Detective, where we try to put our emotions aside and let the charts speak for themselves. In today's presentation, we're going to look at the chart for the Warsaw 2000 to see what happened in 2024 and try to predict or guess what may happen in 2025. Let's bring up a chart for Warsaw 2000. So these are weekly candles. So we're going to look at the period before 2022, roughly November 2021, all the way to December 2024. We're going to check to see how did the Warsaw 2000 perform and what may happen in 2025. So we can see that the Warsaw 2000 was up about 12% for the year to 2024, about the same as the Dow Jones and half of what the S&P had done in 2024. Now in November 2021, the Russell 2000 had reached an all-time high, and it repeated the same thing in 2024, November of 2024, where it reached another all-time high as well. So that was a new all-time high. So as you can see, right after reaching that all-time high in 2024, the Russell 2000 went down. It was down by almost 10%. So roughly, the Russell 2000 had entered a correction after reaching its all-time high. Now let's go back to November 2021 and see what happened. After reaching that all-time high in November 2021, the Russell 2000 also went down. See, those three candles represent weekly candles, as we had said, and the Russell 2000 went down. And after that, it went down further, another 25%. And if we were to look in 2024, we see the exact same thing also happened. The same candle formation we saw in 2021 repeated again in 2024, November 2024. Is it possible that the Russell 2000 may go into a bear market and drop another 25%, the same way it did in 2022 after reaching its all-time high in November 2021? So we can see that there is an exact mirror image of what happened after reaching its all-time high in November 2021 and what happened in November 24 as well. The same three candle patterns repeat themselves. So is it possible that, as Mark Twain said, history may not repeat itself, but it often rhymes? Is it possible that the Warsaw 2000 may drop by 25%? We think this is likely. So now let's take a closer look at what happened in 2024 and see how the Warsaw 2000 may start going down in a bear market. So we're looking at from April to December 2024. And these are daily candles. At the time we took this screenshot, the Warsaw 2000 was trading at $2,242.60. So let's say the price goes down to this level and stop over here. Why? Because we have an uptrend line that says this is a support line. Market may shoot back up and stop at this level because we have a resistance resistance line over here as well. So from here, market could shoot all to it could shoot back to its all-time high again. This is possible. And stop over here because that was the all-time high. We don't think this is likely, but this is a possibility. Remember, with technical analysis, we have to look at every possibility that may present itself. So even though the market may go back to its all-time high, we don't think this is likely. So we think the market will go to this level here and reach that resistance and may go down to 2000. This is the likely scenario we think may happen with the Russell 2000. So this is one way this could happen. Another way this could happen, price may go down, break the support line, which now become a resistance, and stop at this level. Why? Because we have a support line over here. Right? So the first support line, the trend line, which was working as a support line, will become resistance. Price goes back up to retrace and test the resistance line and goes all the way down to 2000. So we think this is what's likely to happen for the first quarter with the Russell 2000. Price stops at the 2000. Why? Because we have a support line at the 2000 level.